Hello again, everybody. This is Siaosi. He's making a fire, and he's got this rock right here. I think he's gonna crack me skull. Oh my! Help me, help poor Siaosi. Siaosi. Hey, little buddy. We were just messing with you. We're never gonna crack your little head and eat you. You're part of the family now. Are you happy? Yes, I am. Can I get a hug now, please? Of course. Oh, God. Hello, fellow everyone. You can see what we're cooking, and don't worry, Siaosi's just fine. What are you, mate? I sure am. I'm so happy now. All right, enough of you. But anyways, we are using our UMU today, as you saw. This is some country thick ribs, lots of fat on it. I have been marinating it for hours with onions, soy sauce, and garlic, minced garlic. The palasami that we're making won't be able to be just like the ones we made last time with the taro leaves, because a ton of the taro leaves were wilted. We had a few left. I forgot about them. So we're using baby spinach for my wife. I also got her some from the fish market. I got her some tropical seafood salad. Got her some minced or different mix of seafood. I'm gonna put some of hers in her palasami, and she wants pilakaki in some of the palasami too. We're making yakisoba as well. I've got onion, celery, and cabbage chopped up, ready to mix in with that. And then of course I've got the coconut cream and the onions with some salt, ready to help make the palasami. And over here in the sink, I rinsed off the taro leaves, what I could save of them. I'm telling you, a lot of the tips were black or wilted, but I wanted to save as much as I can. I didn't want to throw them all away, so hopefully I won't get sick. But I'm going to eat mine with the taro leaves that I was able to use, and we're just making a little pouch out of the foil. All right, I just wanted to show you that before we get started. Oh, and I forgot to show you, I have some pisupo for my palasami, of course. That's my favorite. Just checking on the UMU. Looks good. I put a lot of the bigger rocks that I found recently right on top of the fire so they can get really heated up. All right, hopefully this will be out, and I'll stir it around in about 45 minutes, and then we'll put the food on. So I'm not going to show you me wrapping them all, but this is one of mine. I just took a big clump of the taro leaves, and I'm going to try to make it like a pouch just by holding it down like this and then putting it in my hand, sort of like that. And then I will add the coconut cream. And let me not forget to add some of my pisupo. Never have enough pisupo. This is a small one, this first one. And let me see if I can just like I'm doing a taro leaf, I'm going to put it together. And wish me luck. We will see how that works. I think the next ones, though, I'm going to put the coconut cream maybe on the bottom so the steam of it getting hot can go up through the vegetables. Okay, I'm done with those, but I'll show you how I'm going to wrap these ribs. Oh my goodness. They are big and juicy. Put a few onion in there. And I'm just going to wrap it up. There we go. I'll make all those, and I'll show you once I get everything wrapped. Alright, here's all the ribs right here. We have 6 ribs wrapped. And we have 4 of the seafood palasamis. These are my wife's. I made them look like big Hershey's Kisses so I could tell the difference. And then I've got 2 of mine with the pea soup. And then I did one with no cream, no anything, just pea soup, because the kids love that without anything else on it. All right, I'll show you what I'm putting it all on the UMU. All right, all locked down, and see you in 3 hours. Hope it's not dark by then. All right, so it's been just about 3 hours, so I'm going to start making the yakisoba too. I'm going to put in the celery, cabbage, and the onions. Turn the heat up to high. Anything stir fry, I like to cook it at high heat and just stay here and continuously stir it. I'm not going to make you watch the whole thing, but I'll show you bits and pieces, and then we'll get to mukbanging. Going to add in the noodles and let that start getting browned a little bit on some places, and then I will add the sauce. All right, just adding my traditional. You've seen how I make this before. All right, I'll get this done, then we'll get the plate set. Or I mean, then we'll go out to the UMU and get all the food. Wow, this smells so good. I hope it turned out good. We will find out, won't we? All right, let's head inside. All right, just seeing how some of these turned out. Ooh-wee. Steam coming out. It looks really good. Let's look at the rib now. Whoa! Oh my gosh, that smells so freaking good. Woo! All right, so I'm done the plate. Here's Silhouette, the youngest. She just got the plain corned beef, the rice, the yakisoba, the rib, and some raspberries. Here's Acapella, the 14-year-old. And here's Mommy's. She's got the rice, raspberries, yakisoba. She's got the pilikaki, palusami, and she's also got the mixed seafood pilikaki. And last but not least, here's mine. Oh, my leaf, my taro leaf I used covered that good. And all the corned beef's inside. Let's get eating! And I almost forgot the tropical crab seafood salad for Mama. Mom said, where's my rib? I forgot it. Go ahead and take it out. Yeah, it's hot. Well, not to a Samoan, it's not hot. Well, maybe it is. Just take it all out. We said our prayer and then we sat down and get ready to eat. And Mom looked at everyone's place and says, where's my rib? Ooh, you want some of these onions? You're good?
Enough stuff on my plate.
Enough stuff.
Wow, it just fell off.
I know, it's so tender. All right, I'm excited. And you know, if you know me, the first thing I'm gonna try is palusami. Let's dig into the taro leaf. Oh shoot, I forgot my salt. I always need extra salt. Oh wow, it's so good. I gotta stop doing that. Poor Mark. Thank you, Silhouette. Oh my gosh. Is your rib tender?
I haven't tried it yet.
Oh, okay. I'll try the rib. Oh my gosh. We have slow cook ribs in a slow cooker, in a crock pot, and in the oven. And this is the most tender pork rib I've ever had in my life. Oh my gosh. The doggy's flipping out downstairs underneath us. She is smelling the good cooking. She could smell it outside earlier. I could swear that instead of barking, she did and howled. You tried the seafood yet? The mixed one?
The octopus is so soft.
Well, that's good.
So soft.
Now I like that, how the fish market, I don't know, maybe it's stuff they didn't sell the day before, I don't know.
Oh hell, that is so good.
Watch your language. Where's the soap? Get the soap. Mommy's gonna wash her mouth. You finally taste the rib?
It's so soft.
I know, that's why I said it's crazy.
It just melts. It's so good.
It's very fatty, but
But such a good fat.
I was just gonna say fat is flavor, but Mommy likes taking it to the whole nother level. Woo! It is super tender. I just realized it's so good. I haven't even put any hot spices on it or hot sauce. If I don't do that, you know it's good. Is it still hot? Or we're giving some to Maka's below the table crying. She wants some of that
Maka.
pisupo.
Maka.
Palusami forever! It's so good. It was so good. We got home so late this morning from everything. It's Sunday. And so I was worried the sun was going to go down, but I keep forgetting in summertime, or spring summertime, The sun stays out much later, so. What else could I cook in an UMU that would taste good? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. So far, I've cooked palasami every time, and I probably will never stop doing that when I make it. But what other food besides big, thick, country, fatty ribs and a whole chicken we cooked last time? What other meat would you want to see us cook in the UMU? Let us know.
You guys are missing out. So you guys are missing out on the seafood. It's good. It is so good.
How's your pilikaki one? One question I have you can help me with, and my wife doesn't know either, because she never made palasami when she was a little girl, is I had the cream. I separated the coconut cream from the water part, so it was really thick cream when I added the onions. It was so thick I could almost not stir it, so I had a little bit of the milk from the can. It was still thick though, but for some reason when we open it up, it's not like white chunky coconut cream in there no more. It's kind of like gone and like melted into the food. But I remember in the past we used to go to people's house or whatever and have palasami, and we'd open it up. It'd always have the coconut. You could see it in there, like the white, look like cream almost. Why does it disappear? Am I cooking it too long? Am I not using the right coconut cream? Let me know in the comments. So Silhouette and Acapella don't want to be on camera, but Silhouette agreed to be camera girl. So our signal is, well, I want to cut a segment. Because I mentioned before, I hate having 20-minute long video clips. It's harder for me to upload them that way. I don't want short clips where I just piece them together. I said I'd do this. Like you might have seen me do it earlier. And that's when she tells the GoPro to either start recording or stop recording. So just a few seconds ago, when we had took a break or a break in the filming, I did this. I did it on the other side. And then she just looked at me eating her food. And Acapella says, he's tapping his fingers. Let's see if it works this time. Ready?
GoPro, stop recording.
This taro leaf is my favorite vegetable in the world.
Those are veggies?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
What do you think they were?
Leaves?
A lot of leaves are vegetable, right? Right? Aren't leaves vegetables too? Now you guys are making me doubt it. Well, if they're not vegetables, they're the world's best tasting leaves, that's for sure. At least to me they are. You know the food's good when everyone's so quiet. Except Monica.
She's like, I'd be not quiet if I had food.
Yeah. Wow, honey. Proof of her bone eating excellent. She would destroy me again. This looks like a fossil, like it's been dead for 1,000 years. There's no meat on it whatsoever. Good job, honey. What you need, help, sweetie?
Okay.
You want some of your naked, it's called naked juice, strawberry banana. Oh yeah, it's open.
Why are you using my cup?
You're a big girl, you go pour it yourself. So Acapella's already finished all her food, and Silhouette's almost done with hers, but she wants to stay and help us film.
How dare you use my cup?
My cup now.
How was that tropical crab salad that they made at the fish market?
Oh, it's good. Mm-hmm.
Show the camera
me.
up close, Mom. Put the fork out.
What?
Put the fork out.
Oh, she wants you to do like YouTubers do. They show their food like, ooh, you want to buy?
Yes, I'm sure.
Or they do this. Oh, look, it looks so good. I don't feel I have to do that very often because I can tell you it's good from way over here. What? Were you going to say something? You say excuse me?
I'm full.
Oh, good job,
I
Judy.
actually ate quite a bit.
You did. You ate 2 palosamis. I've
Not
only
my
ate one.
normal.
You know, not our normal. She normally eats less than the kids, really, if you've noticed that.
Oh my goodly movie.
I'm going to eat my other palosami. I cannot wait.
I'm so full.
So, if you're done, baby, you did such a great job today. We're proud of you. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
She just
Sure, we're here being
snorted.
silly. She dumped over the dog food. Hey, so don't touch it.
Bye.
Just say goodbye to people.
Bye.
What if they can't understand that word?
Bye.
You're not even looking at the camera.
Bye.
Fa what?
Bye.
Soy fua. Fa soy fua.
Bye.
She knew it the last video and now she forgot it already? Come on. Alright. Seriously, might not be able to finish this. Who am I kidding? Of course I am. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You want to say anything, honey?
Have a good weekend, y'all.
What if they watch it on Tuesday? Then what do you say? What if they're watching this on a Tuesday?
Hope you had a good week.
That sounds more like a Friday.
Hope you have a good day.
Oh, that could go. Unless it's midnight.
Hope you're dead asleep.
All right, everybody. We appreciate you watching. That's my second time doing the UMU. I love it. I love cooking on the UMU. I had way more confidence this time. The food turned out so tender this time. I think adding those rocks, I gathered more rocks from around the neighborhood and actually put them on top of the foil where the food is. Made such a difference. And those ribs, though, when I would look outside just to see what's going on or whatever, just peek my head out, the aroma of the cooking, I smelled like I was in a kitchen smelling something cooking in the oven. It smelled so good. So we love you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with one of your friends if you like the videos and you're subscribed already. Tell at least one friend. We'd sure appreciate it. And until next time, alofa tu, and God bless from us. Alofa from us to you. And that's it. Ready? Fasifua.
Bye.
And peace. GoPro, stop recording.